immersive yacht. What's better companion than an Alpina XB7 frozen pearl white with black stripes? I haven't never even seen black stripes. Top speed, isn't it 295 kilometers per hour or 290? Some completely crazy. What a great combo. Alpina XB7 and your immersive yacht. Why not? Nice combo. The captain on yacht immersive in the creek. Is it Zuckerberg's companions that have it? Who knows? There's always someone better and larger. Black Legend. Magusta 165S. I didn't know even they made a 165S. I thought they only did a 165. I believe this is from some African country. There's some super Black Legend. Rooftop. There's always someone larger.